there is another question that that I'm asked often, and that is whether the Vedas are Paurusheya or Apaurusheya. Tradition says they are Apaurusheya, and this is quite correct, because the message that they give is one of eternal nature. It has significance at all times, and one can follow it at all times in all parts of the world. The message is that man should remember his true nature, which is divine, and that he should be a generous creature and give. There is a whole hymn on liberality, generosity, and there are many, many references to this aspect. But at the same time, these Vedas, these hymns, were composed by human beings. What I mean by that is that they were conceived, they were heard or seen in the mind by particular human beings. Consequently, if we didn't have these human beings, if we didn't have these concepts, we wouldn't have the Vedas. So from that point of view, they are very much Paurusheya. So they are eternal in one respect, but in another respect, they come down to humanity at a particular time, in a particular country, in a particular mode of expression, which is the Vedic language. So they are both Paurusheya and Apaurusheya.